Hello, and welcome back to DriveTracker. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to visualize your route and directions. Once you've gone through the route optimization process outlined in the last tutorial, you're ready to view your directions on the map. Under the Create Directions tab, click on View Directions. After a short amount of time, you'll be redirected, and a dark blue line will appear on the map that marks your entire route. You'll be able to see the number of stops on your route, the total distance that you will travel, and the estimated time that it will take to travel your route based on the route optimization option that you selected. If you selected route optimization based on typical traffic, you will only receive an estimated travel time for typical traffic. But if you chose to depart at a specific time, as I did in this example, you'll see estimated travel times for both expected traffic and for typical traffic. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see a list of all stops on your route. By clicking on a single stop, you can investigate individual portions of the route between stops. The map will zoom in automatically, and the portion that you selected will turn red. A list of turn-by-turn directions will also appear underneath the address that you clicked on. To view traffic at various locations on your route, you can click on the traffic toggle switch in the upper right-hand corner of the map, and traffic information will appear on the map. If your route optimization preferences included current traffic or traffic at a specific time, your route will take road closures and construction into account, and if you turn on traffic, you will be able to see such obstructions on the map. You can view turn-by-turn directions on the map as well by clicking on each one. The map will zoom in again, and the selected turn-by-turn direction will turn light blue on the map. At this point, it might be helpful to use satellite imagery or street view. You can toggle between satellite imagery and a traditional map by clicking on Satellite or Map in the upper left-hand corner of the map. While in satellite view, you can also turn street and building labels on and off. To use street view, find the small figure located in the lower right-hand corner of the map and drag it to your desired location on the map. You can then look at your route and stops using Street View images, a feature that could be useful if you need to know what each stop looks like from the road. When you're done, simply click the back arrow in the upper left-hand corner of the map. To view the route as a whole again, click on the address that you opened turn-by-turn directions for, and the map will zoom back out. Note that under each address on your route, you can see the estimated time that it will take to travel to the next stop. If you need to mark a stop as completed or move its position on the map, you can click on the notepad icon to the left of that address. If you notice that an address marker is not quite on the right location, you should use the option to move the address. You can move the address around the map by clicking the position and then dragging the address marker to the right location on the map. Once you've moved the address, you can click Position again, and the address will lock to its new location. You can also mark a stop as complete by clicking on the Complete checkbox. Its address marker will turn gray, but it will still be visible on the map. Finally, if you need to change your route after viewing the directions, click the Back button, and then click Edit Route. You will then be able to add and remove locations or re-optimize the route using different parameters. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to export your directions.